It's raining.
It's really wet.
Where are we going and why is it rubbish that it started raining?
We are going to the M90 Commerce Park.
Oh yeah, the JKS Business Park.
Yeah,
in Fife.
it's Fife's criminal hotbed.
If not Scotland. We'll show you some pictures of this about now. This place is horrible.
Yeah, it was nasty. Nothing has MOT and tax here.
No, it definitely was used to dump about £2 million worth of old plasterboard, and then the company just nashed it and left the pile of junk lying up there. So yeah, it's disgusting. However, there is one little jewel in the crown that we found recently. We went for a bit of a sort of estate clearance and we found a lovely, should we say what it is? Should we wait and do the reveal?
Yeah, let's look like here's a picture, get a picture of his wheels, look at the wheels a bit, maybe get the engine. Yeah,
so basically this thing hopefully is going to become our new recovery vehicle. The Ranger that we're in currently, we use on the road. As you can see, we're driving around on the road just now, and it's starting to show bits of wear and tear due to us using it as a recovery vehicle as well as a road vehicle. So
I have a strict now, this is only a vehicle for driving in Fife. I will not leave Fife in the Ford Ranger now.
Yeah, that's fair, because it didn't give you the best treatment on the way back from Wigan.
3 times we broke down on the way back, including one in motion on the M6 in the fast lane.
I didn't know about that one. I think we ran away ahead with that.
I had to do a little abandoned ship and jam on to sneak off to the side in front of a camper van, and then Stuart did he was following me, he was running cover for me because the tow bar electrics aren't amazing on this, so he was following me, and he had even less room in front of the camper van to get into the hard shoulder.
But he made it.
Yeah, just about.
Of course he made it. So yeah, we will take this back up once we arrive at Fife's JKS Business Park. See you in a minute. Want your stuff stolen? This is the place to go.
You've had something stolen in West Fife, you needed dismantled in the cover of darkness. M90 Commerce Park's here for you.
This is a great advert for them. I think the only there is some legit businesses in here. I think there's some that look legit.
I've not seen one yet. Let's have a look. Just about to pull in.
The bus museum's in here.
Yeah.
Let's see. M90 Commerce Park. So the vintage bus museum's in here, which is quite cool. It's right down the bottom.
Yeah, is it? Yeah. Trains running today. That's
trains
good.
Are running, the old trains. But then there's this lovely place just over here to the side, like a bit further down. This green building here is rammed to bursting with plasterboard, and also all these piles at the side, all these bags. This is all plasterboard, and there's tyres in there as well, I can see.
Yeah.
Basically some guys ran a recycling scam and just left all this here, which was the sound of them. Carpet as well, just in case you need it. There's tons and tons and tons of carpet. Oh,
that's all road legal, bound to be.
All the road legal stuff.
It is.
What we are coming to get, which we have already blindly purchased, is down here next to the Cayman.
It feels more silly now to see it again.
Next to Kay's truck, next to Volkswagen.
Yeah.
So what we have purchased is a V8 on LPG F-150 American mega truck with a 6-inch lift kit and all other sorts of things. So let's go look at it. Look at this weapon. So it doesn't start. It hasn't moved in a couple of years. As you can see, it's pretty green. What could go wrong? So we have, as always, enlisted the help of Kay, our friendly evolved recovery man. And we're going to attempt, if I'm correct, because I forgot the starter fluid anyway. We're going to attempt to drag it onto your massive trailer. Let's see how we go on. What? That was way easier than I thought it was going to be.
It's because I'm involved.
That's why we waited for you. while you're off doing your pilgrimage. That is so big! What have I done? What do you think? What do you think of our purchase?
Yeah, I'm all about it, to be honest. Like, it's stupid. It's probably not particularly good condition from a very quick look underneath.
Surface, mere surface rust.
Surface rust, guys, okay.
Wow.
I think everything that is rusty and perished is both rusty and perished.
Yeah.
But
So big and stupid.
It's so big. There's everything that's great.
Should we have a look under the bonnet?
I would love it to be on the road.
Yeah, well, we never know.
So much.
You never know. There we go.
Yeah. Woo!
Right, I need to climb up.
There you do. Get involved. Come up, join me.
Oh, that is the 4.6 Mustang V8
Yeah, yeah.
on LPG,
Somewhere.
which I bet doesn't work very good.
No chance. This is new. This is an additional guy. Apparently it's quite cool.
Air raid.
Air raid.
Air raid intake rust systems.
This,
I'm looking forward to getting it back down and seeing if we can get it to fire up.
yeah, immediately.
Oh, definitely. I'm not going home till it
No
does.
preparation. A full roadkill style. Just fill it full of easy start, and then see if she'll do donuts.
Deal.
Little truck.
Medium truck. Massive truck! Okay, is this the biggest thing we've ever had in your trailer?
Yes,
Definitely, I reckon.
definitely.
What, so I've
It's not the biggest thing I've had in me though.
Of course it isn't. Dum-dum. So have I got record for heaviest with the sweeper and biggest with this?
Sweeper was there.
The sweeper was the heaviest because it bet your brand new trailer.
Easily the densest thing to have on the trailer.
Look at the size of it. Oh, we are fucking idiots. This is gonna get chalked up next to the double ender.
What are you buying today, Jeek?
I have no idea. A little bit less fucking sanity. What am I doing? Genuinely no idea why we bought this.
If anything, seeing it on this trailer makes it not look massive, but this trailer is huge.
Yeah,
this is a huge trailer.
This is especially for moving big American vehicles.
where we think this is a great idea, and in about 2 episodes time we're going to have an
For
episode
sale.
called Why This Is an Awful Idea and Why We Shouldn't Have Bought It.
Why it's for sale.
I look forward to it already.
I think it's more ridiculous now it's out of the parking space.
I'd love to know the train weight.
Over his limit.
Okay, I would say. What's it look like?
Stuart,
Oh no. Yep.
confident you get this thing running?
Here, check the big inlift. It's got a big
I don't know. We'll soon find out.
Let's
Pour some butter in it.
let's get the boost pack on that side.
Yeah.
One of them top ones that have been left on it.
Go for it.
Ready? Oh, wait there.
Legend, superb mate.
Smoking already.
Ah!
What if we doubled in the boost packs?
Yeah, we'll disconnect this new.
Oh,
Lucky bastard though.
What have we got here? Fucking 1700 and 1700.
Ah,
Double fucking done. Right, this is going to kick off now.
right, go for it.
Double boost packs. Oh,
Wide open throttle.
come on lads, blow!
Fire!
Everyone wants to do it again, but nobody wants to be the person with the easy start.
I'll fucking do it.
Yes!
Yay!
Yes, Callum Taylor up next with the easy start.
Nah, it's going to be flames. I want them on my nipples. Getting naked and covered in oil. That's fucking stinking, I'm Jeek. It's wanting to go like.
You're right, by the way. Cal! Fucking hell!
You started that. Three.
Hey. Hey. Yeah.